every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Bless, I've had a few, but then again, to few duration. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the highway and more, much more than this. I did my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I had it up and spat it out. I faced